Hello student, today I would tell you about a test used for estimation of protein using BSA as standard. This test is known as Biuret test. For this test, we require a Biuret reagent. This reagent is prepared by dissolving 1.5 gram of copper sulfate and 6 gram of sodium potassium tartrate in 500 ml of distilled water, and then we need to add 375 ml of 2 molar sodium hydroxide solution. Both the solution would be mixed and the final volume has to be made to 1000 ml or 1 liter. The principle of this test is that alkaline copper sulfate reacts with the compound containing 2 or more peptide bonds to give a violet or pinkish colored product, which is due to formation of coordination complex of cupric ions with unshared electron pairs of peptide nitrogen and oxygen of water. Now, to start with this experiment, we would take test tubes which would be marked as blank 100, 200, 300, 400, and in that we would put the protein solution, that is of standard BSA. BSA is bovine serum albumin, and to each test tube we would add the bovine serum albumin as the volume mentioned: 100 microliter, 200 microliter, 300 microliter and 400 microliter. And then we would make the volume to each test tube of same level of 1 ml. And then we, after making 1 ml with distilled water, we would add the reagent, that is the Biuret reagent. Biuret reagent is also called as alkaline copper sulfate reagent, which is blue in color. The moment we would add this reagent, first we would make all the test tube 1 ml with the protein solution and water, and then we would add to each test tube 2 ml of Biuret reagent with the help of micropipette. We would use 1 ml micropipette. Now see, the volume is 1 ml. Now with micropipette we would add 1 ml of 2 ml of Biuret reagent to each test tube and see the color change. Now, as I have also already mentioned, that when protein is present, it has to be a protein. For if protein is absent, there won't be any color development. It would be violet color formation. This color formation would be detected in your colorimeter at the nanometer of 570. So we have to set the filter of the colorimeter at 570 and we would take the reading. So we would turn on the machine, make the absorbance mode, and then put the blank was water and the Biuret reagent. There won't be any color, it would be colorless, and then we would make it 0, and in that, after making 0, we would put the sample in the cuvette and take the reading. The reading would be noted down and those readings would be plotted in the standard curve. So for standard curve, as I have already shown in the carbohydrate detection or estimation by Enthron method, we have to do in the same process. And we need to make a standard curve of BSA. There it was the curve of glucose. Here we would make the standard curve of BSA. Now the BSA solution concentration has to be 100 for Biuret test. It cannot give a detection at 100 μg per ml. So we need to have minimum of 500 μg per ml. So we would take around 1 mg per ml of Biuret standard solution, and from there we would prepare the series of 100 microliter, 200 microliter, 3 and 400 till 1 ml. So here we have just taken 5 ml to show the process. So you can do it as with the convenience of your own range setup. It has to be from minimum volume to maximum. Maximum has to be 1 ml. So by doing that, we would finish up the test. So this is how the Biuret test has been done. We would take the we get the reading, and the reading would be plotted in the graph, and the graph has to be a linear curve. It would be a straight line, and this test is not very harmful because the whole process is done in water phase. The reagents are alkaline reagent, it is not acid, so burning issue won't be coming into play. So even if it is not that serious or dangerous to skin, still, while after finishing the practical, one has to clean the glasswares properly, wash their hand properly. It's better to wear the lab coat and do take all the precautions, since we are dealing with chemicals. So this thing has to be taken into account. So and then after using the colorimeter, one has to wash the cuvette properly, turn off the machine, and we need to note down the time of use of the machine and keep the machine in its proper condition. These are some few precautions and measures one has to take while doing the practical. Thank you. And perform the experiment.